This is my DS Pure 30-ounce tumbler. So this is a double-walled, vacuum-sealed, insulated tumbler, which is excellent for use outside to keep your drinks ice cold or hot, depending on what you're wanting to use it for. So it comes with this vacuum insulated lid, so you can open it and just sip through the lid itself, or you can use either of the two straws that come with it as well, a bent one or a straight one. It should keep your drinks hot for about 6 hours, cold for 24 hours, and it looks stylish too, very sleek looking. It's 304 stainless steel used on it, and you can hand wash it. I have thrown it in the dishwasher. It works fine that way as well. And it is cup holder friendly, meaning it will fit in most standard cup holder sizes. But really happy with it. It does come in a few other color tones. I've got the navy one here. Check out some of the other ones. It does weigh about 1.9 pounds, so very heavy duty. Check it out.